We're going to look now at how to get the pH and conductivity of our solution. So what you'll need to do this is you will need a 50 ml beaker, and in that 50 ml beaker, put about 40 milliliters of solution. You'll also need either a waste beaker or a sink. So I'm at a lab bench that doesn't have a sink readily available, so I'm just going to use this waste beaker, but you're more than welcome to use a sink. I also have my bottle of deionized water. So with those bottles of deionized water, if yours gets low, you can refill it at any of the glassware washing sinks. It will be the silver faucet that will give you the deionized water. All right, when you are using the probe, so this is our probe here. It is currently stored in a test tube. That test tube has deionized water in it. It's going to be attached to this multimeter. When you first start, what you want to do is just push the on button. It's going to tell you the battery life, so this one's at 100% battery right now. And then it's going to give you a screen. That screen will tell you the pH, the conductivity, and the temperature. We care about the pH and the conductivity. All right, before you run any samples, what you want to do is you want to take your probe out of the test tube and you want to rinse it off. So you want to squirt it down with the deionized water. So I'm making sure to rinse all over the probe with that deionized water. I'm going to shake it off a little bit just to get any excess water off of it. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it into my beaker of solution. I want to make sure there is let me just show you, a green probe at the bottom. You can see it right here. I want to make sure that that green probe is in the solution. So I'm going to stick it in the solution. And then I'm going to look at my screen. Over here on the left, there is a flashing icon of let me see if I can get a better view for you. There's a flashing icon of an hourglass. We want to wait until that flashing icon goes away. But if it's been more than 2 minutes, just record the pH and conductivity. It's not going to change appreciably. So we can see the pH here and we can see the conductivity here. When you are done, let's just assume that my hourglass has gone away. When you are done, you will take your sample, you'll remove it from your liquid, and then go back to that waste beaker or your sink, rinse it off again with the deionized water. So I'm giving it a nice good rinse. And then I'm going to place it back into my test tube. An important thing about your pH probes is that you want to make sure that they're never just sitting dry. So if they get dry, they will go bad. So you want to make sure that they are either in your storage test tube filled with deionized water, or in your sample, or being transferred between the two.